In this video, I will show you how to view what devices are connected, are logged in into your account. For example, I'm using this account which is NCH, the underscore doesn't matter. You just want to tap at the top right corner, that three stripes right there, and then you can head on to settings and privacy. Go on and click on that. After this, at the top here, account centers, you want to click on that, and then it will shows up the meta account center. And from this, you can just tap on password and security. Go ahead and tap that, and then you go ahead and check the security checks on where you are logged in. You can click on that. Just click on your account, and now you can see what devices are logged in into your account. For me, I have this device type unknown, which is connected on to 2019. I forgot about that. Well, currently this is my device. There are only two devices that I'm using, which is the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the iPhone 7 Plus. If you want to remove this device, you can just click logged out, and then you can lock this phone out. Just click that and logged out if you want, but I don't want that. And this is how you can easily locked out devices that are connected in your account. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.